we got her all set up. It looks close to that beam, but it's not really. We got some old belting, so we'll put right here, and pipe strip it on. Happy. Hammer down, boys. Thank you. Let's get this bad boy fired up. So, yesterday we were just getting started here, but we're almost on our first stack. It smells pretty nice in here. We put up these, you see these sides. Woo, there we go, those sides. Well, we've been working on the firewood. We got the 4000 set up, the tumbler. And this will be our last row in here. This will be the third one. But we had some white pine sitting around. We put some sides up just so we could get it a bit higher. We're gonna have to knock that stuff off, but it's filling up. It smells nice in here. As high as we can put it pretty well. But another 6 hours processing in here and it'll be full. And it'll spill out just to the wheels, just a bit farther, but we'll push up what we can and go from there. But that will be our dead of winter supply, undercover, no ice or snow on it, and the back's opened up so we can get airflow through. I'll go around and show you what we did there. Kind of wasn't on purpose, but I think it will actually work out really good. I'll be back. Also, we're running, everything's hydraulic drive, everything's run off the processor. So we're running the big conveyor, 32-foot tumbler, and the conveyor off the processor. We're gonna get a power pack so we can run just the tumbler and the conveyor, because we'll have to tumble everything here. It's still all the chaff's in it still, but yeah, hopefully that will be gone before the snow flies, and that's a 12-inch material there. All right, let's get this bad boy fired up. Just like that, boom, fired up. Fires up the conveyor. Here we go. Oh, That's it. That's the last of it. It is full. Let's see here. I'll climb up and show you right to the back. Oh! There you go. We did 3 piles. I think we kind of screwed up at the beginning. We weren't far enough back. Live and learn. We know for the next time, step back a little bit farther. But I'll get back there and show you that. So this is what I was talking about at the back. We didn't have enough blocks to do all this. So we spaced them like that. And actually, I think it's going to work out. We'll let air get through it until the snow flies, and you can see the room we got left. We could have been back a little bit farther, but live and learn. Smells like ash and cherry. But yeah, just like that, the air get in will come, I don't know, piece of plywood or something, and we'll cover that up just to stop the snow from blowing in. But till then, it's got a few more months.